In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign roles to signers in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reusable template where each field is clearly assigned to the right signer, so sending documents becomes faster and more accurate. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. From the search results, click the official Dropbox Sign link to head to the site. Once you're there, log into your account so you can access your dashboard. If you're preparing a template for your team, make sure you have the latest version of your document ready on your computer before you continue. From the dashboard, go to Templates, then select Create Template. Templates save you time because you build a document once and reuse it for different recipients over and over, without rebuilding fields each time. Next, upload your document. After the file processes, you'll see a section labeled Add Signer Roles. This is where you define who will sign, in terms of job or responsibility rather than a specific person. Use clear descriptive titles like Client, Approver, or Finance instead of people's names. Roles act as placeholders, so later, when you send the template, you'll simply map each role to the actual recipient's email address. Keep role names short and unambiguous to reduce mistakes. You'll be taken into the editor. Drag the fields you need onto the document: signature boxes, dates, initials, checkboxes, or text fields. With a field selected, look to the right sidebar for the Assigned to dropdown. Choose the correct role for that field. This is crucial. Every field must be associated with exactly one role. Otherwise, it won't be fillable by the right person during signing. If multiple roles need to interact with the document, repeat this process for each field, carefully assigning each one. A helpful tip is to place all fields for the first role, assign them, then move on to the next role to avoid mixing things up. Also consider marking essential fields as required so nothing gets missed. When you're satisfied with the layout and assignments, give your template a clear, searchable name that reflects its purpose, like Service Agreement with Client and Approver roles, and then save it. From now on, you can reuse this template and simply plug in the correct recipients for each role when you send it out. That's it. You've created a clean, role-based template in Dropbox Sign that keeps your signing process organized and consistent every time.